Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 18, 2022. Two-star Sudoku. 7th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 7, 3, 8. So 7, 3, 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 6. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column E, we have 7. Fourth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Sixth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, column I, we have 3. Eighth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, on the column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then the column H, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Now first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then the column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then the column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3. The ninth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will be the two cells. Eighth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is from here. Then 5 is here. Then eighth grade, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is from here. Column C, column D, we have 5. Ninth row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is from here. Column B, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is from here. Ninth row, 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is from here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is from here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is from here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is from here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is from here. Then 8 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is from here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is from here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is from here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is from here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.